I'm gonna ask you a lot of questions about Mama, okay? I want to know how well you know Mama. D'abord, what is Mama name?
Melissa.
And Mama is fat or she's slim?
Slim.
She's slim?
Yes.
Okay, and she's tall or she's short?
Short.
Okay. And what do Mama like to eat?
Patty.
She like to eat patty?
Yes.
Okay. And how Mama like to dress?
N'importe quoi.
Oh, n'importe quoi mean. Okay.
Say it. Say what it means.
It means like she
Nothing
likes to-
special.
Yeah. And how old is Mama?
31.
31.
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay. And if you have one gift to give to Mama, what will it be?
A costume of pilot to give to the person that's in my airplane.
Okay, so you're gonna have an airplane?
Yes.
Okay, so you're gonna give Mama a costume. That's your gift. Okay. Alright, what do Mama like to watch?
Jimmy Fallon.
Jimmy Fallon? Okay. And what do Mama say all the time?
She said that I'm naughty.
She said that you're naughty? And where do you want to travel with Mama?
Where am I? Trouble with Mama.
If you have one place you can go with Mama, where would it be?
It will be. It's somewhere very far from
Sarah.
that just beside Rusty.
So what's the name of it?
Canada.
Canada is not beside Lucy, but okay.
Yes, come. I go.
When you will be big, when you will be old, what would you like to do?
I would like to
You mean what would you like to become?
on my plane to Canada.
You would like to be a pilot?
Yes.
Okay.
Like that I can bring you everywhere where you want.
Nice. I would like that.
And you're not going to tell me
Okay,
I'm going
next
to say.
question. What is Mama scared about?
Scared?
Yeah, what Mama scary about?
This carry off. Pizza? Yes.
And what peace, Mama? What make Mama mad?
Spider.
Spider make Mama mad? Okay. Okay. Good job. That's finished. Good job, Tyler. Thank you for the interview. I'm Mr. Delaveaus. Who are you?
Tiger.
Nice to meet you.
Hi fams, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's everybody. This is what quarantine does to us. Everybody's here and we're gonna jump right into the video. We're gonna film a video right now that's called Who Would Most Likely To. So it's gonna be one of the three of us, or should we include Sarah? It's gonna be the three of us. Maybe Sarah will jump in there here and there. So we're gonna ask the question and see which of us would most likely to do whatever the question says.
Tyler.
No!
What did I need? What did I need?
Papa, I already see you.
What did I need?
Alright, question one.
Listen the question.
Tyler, you ready?
Yes.
Remember, you're gonna say Mama, Papa, or Tyler, okay?
Okay.
Alright, question one. Who would most likely go to a museum very often? Babe.
Tyler.
No.
Who do you think, Tyler?
Tyler.
Who? Which of us? Me, you, or Papa? I
I
think it's Babe. Who do you
think it's Mama.
Me?
You think it's Mama? Nah.
Because she likes gold things.
Because I like gold things.
Nah, I think it's either me or Tyler. Tyler like every little space to learn. So, and me, I'm the one that's going to bring him. So it's
between
us.
Babe and Tyler. Alright, this question is just gonna be for me and Babe. Who would most likely to smoke weed? I'm gonna say Babe.
I'm gonna say you.
No,
How me?
because I think you would more experiment with it than me. So why are you looking at my hair?
It's cheese.
Between the French guy and the
I think
Jamaican
it's
girl.
Sarah.
Because y'all are fascinated
Like
by
I think it's Sarah.
Do you think it's Sarah?
You smoke weed when you were young. Not
I haven't even ever smoked paper. Who would most likely to live in a big city? I'm gonna say me.
you.
You're good to see me.
You gonna say you? I think so. I think Tyler too.
Because
yes.
of me, I like to go to New York.
See?
Yeah, but when he's in the country,
Oh,
you
no.
also like it.
No.
I don't
And
know.
also, I like to go to Jamaica.
Definitely not me.
Definitely not, babe. I would say me. Alright, next question is, who is most likely to watch romantic movies?
Oh, not me. Not me.
I'll say me.
Yeah, I watch same things every time.
Who would most likely to go to a Justin Bieber's concert?
Oh,
Not me.
Who is most likely to be the best at math?
Oh, me.
Tyler and Dave.
definitely not you.
Who is most likely to give all their money to charity? I'm definitely gonna say me.
Not me.
You're gonna use all your money to buy Lego and go to New York.
Yes, him to go put by Lego.
No, I'm not going to buy Lego.
Who is most likely to be a drama queen?
Not me.
And Tyler. Me and Tyler.
Tyler got,
Alright, calm.
Tyler got both personality. You get the worst from her and you get the best from me.
Who is most likely to marry a celebrity? Not me.
Not
I
me.
wouldn't say baby. I don't think either of us. I don't
Yeah, but he can be more me than you.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe you too.
Papa. I say Papa. Who is most likely to always be happy?
Me.
Tyler. Okay. Who is most likely to hold their breath the longest as possible?
Me. Me.
I don't know. Let's try. 1,
I'm
2,
gonna
3, go.
You have,
Her. It's her. It's Mama. I said that's it.
Well, babe, win. Babe, win.
for sure it's me. The way you run, I can.
The way I run?
Oh yeah. Tyler, sit down
Alright.
properly.
Properly. Okay. Who is most likely to have the most piercing?
Piercing?
I want to do more.
Not
We
me.
have to do more piercing.
Not
Where?
me. You have
You
none.
have no
You
piercing.
have none.
No, you won't get any piercing.
Her.
Boys don't do piercing.
But
Boys
What you want to
don't.
pierce? Your tongue?
no.
What?
The head.
And now I want to build a hole in our garden like that. We can put some water for the ducks.
Yes, that kind of piercing we can do. Innocent. Alright, next question. Who is most likely to do weird things in public?
You.
Not me.
Babe. How is it?
You
Sorry.
everything's weird.
1, 2.
Oh.
Wait.
Well, it
What?
might not be weird for you, but it's
Mama,
weird for
we're
me.
talking.
Too bad. It didn't mean it's
talking.
weird. Yes,
Okay,
Dad?
talk.
Wow.
Talk, little boy.
2, 3. It's Papa.
Exactly.
No, it's not Papa.
Yes, it is.
Papa is what?
Alright.
What can Mama just say?
Who is most likely to kill someone accidentally? That's definitely babe.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, Papa.
Well, I'm the only one who drive here, so.
1, 2,
He doesn't
3,
have to be
Papa.
driving.
She says so. I disagree, but.
Who is most likely to meet a ghost?
Tyler.
Tyler. Who is most likely to fall asleep in class?
Me.
Really?
Because I had to do that when I had a 3-year-old. Me.
I would say babe.
I think it's me because
I would say you too.
I can sleep everywhere. I go in the metro, I go in the train, I go in everywhere. I can fall asleep.
I think it's me and Papa.
Okay.
Maybe. Alright, who is most likely to worry about small things?
Probably me.
I'ma say me.
I worry about
Nothing
big
to say.
things.
They worry about big things.
She worry about small
I worry about
things.
everything, honey.
Small things.
Who is most likely to become a famous actor?
Me.
Tyler.
When it's too late for us, so it just remain Tyler.
You ever put yourself in the position of Tyler? I would definitely be Tyler. Who is most likely to be the first one to die in a zombie apocalypse?
No, not to me.
I say babe.
You.
Not to
No.
me.
I would say babe. You know why I say babe?
Why?
Because babe no know how to survive it. Babe don't have no farmer street skills.
Me I close the door and me I lock the door and me I eat whatever is in the house. She can't eat whatever is in the house. She need meat at every.
No. I can survive, and y'all supposed to know that.
Show me.
I can survive anywhere, babe.
Show me.
Babe don't have no farmer street
Wait,
smart.
Mama. Wait,
Yeah.
No
Mama.
farmer survival skills.
Wait, Mama.
But I can run.
Wait, Mama.
I think it's babe because babe
I run faster than you.
Babe can't do anything around the house. No DIY. Y'all see why I do all DIYs and everything. I can survive anywhere.
But if it's a big
any case.
yeah, panic.
Excuse me, Mama.
Babe, you can't survive.
Okay, if you say so.
One day we can play a game that can't no electronic.
Yes, we can play that.
That
too.
means
That's
no
a good idea.
phone,
That's-
no tablet, nothing.
That's a
No
good idea.
TV, nothing.
Yes, no TV, nothing, no
Right.
camera,
Nothing.
nothing.
Who is most likely to be a stand-up comedian?
Not to me. Not
Tyler and Babe.
no.
Because they're so much alike. Who is most likely to join the military? I'll say me. You?
Yeah, I'll be in
Yeah, but
Navy.
I don't think you would join the military, really? Okay, hear this question. Who is most likely to travel the world?
Me.
Tyler and Babe.
Yes, because I want to.
She traveled the world to
Jamaica and back.
and back, and Jamaica and back, and Jamaica and back. That's the one.
You
for
want?
her.
And me, I want to be a pilot to go on all the airplane and all the country.
Who?
That's
Alright, finish. Who is most likely to win the lottery?
me.
I said Tyler.
Tyler, cause
Who is most likely to win an Olympic medal?
well,
Me.
I said me.
No, I will see me.
in what
Because I
sport?
think
Every
Because I
sport.
In what
want to-
In
sport?
my head, I'm good at everything.
me, I want to do.
Stop shouting.
In tennis?
Me, I want to have it.
I say both of us. I think both of us.
You be closer than I.
Who is most likely to become the president? I said Tyler.
Tyler?
I said
You want to be
Tyler.
a president?
Yes, I really want to.
Who is most likely to appear on a reality TV show?
Me.
Not me. Yes, Tyler.
Maybe Tyler.
Tyler.
Me, I really want to go in a TV.
Same thing.
Clown. Who is most likely to play in a circus?
Who is most likely to live in a zoo?
You be scared of every
Tyler.
animal, Tyler. You be scared of every little animal too.
Out.
Run!
Okay. This is the last one. Who is most likely to spend all their money on something stupid?
Not me.
Not me.
Not me.
You.
Yes, her.
Mama. Yes,
Why
you.
me?
Because it's always you that want to wear so many things.
I'm gonna say me. I'm gonna say
But
me.
what is stupid for you, for me, not necessarily stupid for you.
That's true. Anyway, you guys, that's the end of who would most likely to. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fan bam. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Say bye. Bye. Where your bye sound so?
Bye.
Alright, say bye, Sarah.
Bye.
Sarah, your face so wet.